Hello, hello, hello. Bonsoir, bonsoir. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday. So, today we're going to go over these sentences on the board. So, if you guys can please share the live, invite a friend. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds and I will be right back. If tonight is your first time assisting our live, I want to welcome you. Alright, so this is what we're going to do tonight, okay? So we're going to go over everything on the board and I want you guys to listen carefully. Gen kek bagay ke mwen bezwen montre nou koman di yo en anglais, okay? So we're going to start with the first one. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Pou ki moun vali sa? Whose bag is this? Pou ki moun vali sa? Whose marker is this? Okay? Now, pou ki sa map do whose marker is this? Because I'm holding the marker. Since it's close to me, map do whose marker is this? Men si ton distance, map do whose marker is that? Pou ki moun marke sa? Whose marker is this? Lel prim. Whose marker is that? Lel lwem. Okay? Whose bag is this? Pou ki moun vali sa? It was a mistake. It was my mistake. C'était faute moi. It was your mistake. C'était faute ou. It was his mistake. Si m'dou it was his mistake, c'était faute nèg la. It was her mistake. C'était faute fille. It was their mistake. C'était faute yo. It was our mistake. Our mistake. Our mistake. C'était faute nous. Okay, but up here, it was my mistake. C'était faute moi. Don't hold any grudges. Don't hold vle di kembe. Don't hold any grudges, alright? Grudges vle di rancune, okay? If you are someone that hold on to grudges, ça vle di ke ou son moun ki kembe rancune, ou son moun ki rancunier, okay? Grudges, rancune. That troubled my mind. That troubled my mind, okay? Now, let me get your attention up here for a second, okay? Now, nou konen nan lang nan, okay? Nan lang anglais an même. Sometime, ou di yon mot ke wap di an, se pa sa wap ese di. Son lot definisyon li gen. Now, nou tout kap suiv mwen la, nou konen ke when I'm talking about mind vle di pense. Okay? What's on your mind? Sak nan pense ou. Men nan phrase sa, li pa pale de pense. Okay? La pale de l'esprit. Si nou kon sa ke that troubled my mind, sa bouleverse l'esprit. Okay? That troubled my mind. Okay? Since la bouleverse ou deja, so you need to make sure you add a D. Pour dire that troubled my mind. Ça bouleverse l'esprit. You don't understand me. You don't ou pas. You don't understand me. Ou pas comprendre moi. You don't understand him. Ou pas comprendre monsieur. You don't understand her. Ou pas comprendre fille. You don't understand us. Ou pas comprendre nous. You don't understand them. Ou pas comprendre yo. I don't understand you. Mwen pa comprendre ou, okay? Now, laissez mwen ki pa comprendre ou mabdou, I don't understand you. But if it's you, si c'est ou même ki pa comprendre mwen, mabdi, you don't understand me. Ou pa comprendre mwen. I could never betray you. I could never betray you. Okay? I could never betray you. Ça veut dire, m'pata ka jam tra you. Keep in mind. Could, would, should, conditional verb. Ça veut dire que verbe conditionnel. Alright? Can vle di capable. Could te ka. Okay? But in that case, m'patap ka. I could never hate you. M'patap ka jam trai you. I could never betray you. M'patap ka jam trai you. You say you change. Ou di ou changer. How so? Comment? Okay? Now, même langue anglais, remember, moi di nou li gen ton de el tou. You say you know me. How? Ou di ou konem? Comment? You say you change. How so? How so? Ou di ou changer? Comment? How so vle di comment? Does the store open at 7 a.m.? Does the store open at 7 a.m.? Est-ce que store ouvert à 7 heures du matin? She's trying to emphasize that. She's trying to emphasize, okay? The word emphasize, okay? Si ma PC emphasize something, ma PC met accent sous li. Okay? Ma PC like clarifier non sens que pour ka well, pour m'ka bal définition, pour montrer de ça m'a fait right now. By me trying to explain it to you, I am emphasizing this sentence right here. She's trying to emphasize that. Okay? So ma PC détriper phrase dans le sens pour qu'à comprendre ni bien. That's called emphasize. All right? It's a short. On va dire empha ou de empha. Emphasize. All right? La essayer mettre accent sur ça. Where should we start, Erica? Where should we start? Qui bon pour nous commencer? Qui côté pour nous commencer? It's no use, my friend. It's no use, my friend. It's no use. If something is no use, use vle di utile. So, if it's no use, ça vle di que li pa utile. It's of no use, okay? Pas just di it's no use. Make sure di of lan too. It's of no use, okay? Colbert, leave it alone. It's of no use. Ça veut dire que Colbert, quitte l'en repos, il pas utile en rien. Okay? Next. Do you recall when Jeff came here? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Là on do you recall? Est-ce qu'on songe? Okay? Recall, songe. Do you recall class last Monday? Est-ce qu'on songe classe lundi passé? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Est-ce qu'on songe la Jeff te venu ici? I'll gladly move that for you. I'll gladly move that for you. I'll gladly vle di map content. I'll gladly move that for you. Map content déplacer ça pour. I'll gladly help you. Map content pour m'aider. I'll gladly show you where I live. Map content pour montrer côté m'rete. I'll gladly show you who's my teacher. Map content pour montrer qui est-ce qui professeur. I'll gladly show you my fellow students. Map content pour montrer étudiant pareil moi. I'll gladly show you where I learn English. Map content pour montrer qui bon m'apprendre anglais. I'll gladly show you my parents. Map content pour montrer parents. I'll gladly show you my sister. Map content pour montrer sœur. I'll gladly show you my brother. Map content pour montrer frère. I'll gladly show you my relative. Relative. Ça veut dire que famille. Map content pour montrer famille. Alright? So now this is what we're gonna do. Alright? We're gonna start with the first one. Alright? So ou même KPC pour apprendre langue nan, now is the time for you to repeat after me. Okay? So I'm gonna go over them one more time. Each time I say something, repeat after me. Okay? So ou même qui vle apprendre prononcer phrase yo bien, chaque le m'a dit yo, ou ap répéter après. Okay? So please, chaque grain moun k'ap gade m sou live lan, okay? Si nous te ka partager pour moi, m'ta vraiment apprécier ça, ok? Gele sometimes, lem di en anglais nous pas comprendre. M'a di li en créole, ok? Partagez live lan pour moi. Share the live for me. All right? So we're going to start with the first one. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Whose paper is that? Whose bag is that? Whose son is this? Petite qui est ça? Whose son is this? Petite qui est ça? Whose house is this? Car qui est ça? Whose house? Whose house is this? It was my mistake. It was my mistake. It was my mistake. Don't hold any grudges. Don't hold any grudges. So le wap di li, pa kembe sa. Don't hold any grudges. Don't hold any, hold any, hold any, hold any, hold any. Don't hold any grudges. Don't hold any grudges. I'm not holding any grudges, okay? Pa kembe oken moun nan kem. Don't hold any grudges, vle di, pa kembe oken rankin. That troubled my mind. That troubled my mind. That troubled my mind. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. Now, moi écrit sous tableau, you don't understand. Mais les phrases n'a sorti dans bouche ou verbalement, mais les speakers partant de yo dit you don't understand. Y a dit you don't understand. You don't understand. I could never betray you. 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 You say you change. How so? You say you change. How so? Okay? Et ton. You say you change. How so? Ou pa ka di, you say you change. How so? No. You say you change. How so? Comment? Ou du changer? Comment? You say you change. How so? Does the store open at 7 a.m.? Does the store open at 7 a.m.? Does it open at 7 a.m.? Does it open on the weekend? Does it open late? Does it open late? Ou vin fè tout non seul. Does it open at 7 a.m.? She's trying to emphasize that. 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 Where should we start? Where should we start? Where should we start? Ki bo pou nou komanse? Where should I start? Ki bo pou nou komanse? Okay, now, where should I start? Ki bo pou nou komanse? It's of no use, my friend. It's of no use, my friend. Sa pa iti lan yon zami. Do you recall when Jeff came here? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Ou sonje le Jeff te vin la? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Do you recall when Jeff came here? Jeff came here. Okay, Jeff came here. Came here. Came here. Came here. Came here. 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 Do you recall when Jeff came here? Est-ce qu'on songe le Jeff te vin la? I'll gladly move that for you. I'll gladly move that for you. I'll gladly move that for you. Now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a little bit of things with you guys right now, okay? So, I'm gonna ask you guys a question, you guys gonna answer, okay? Mwen pral pose nou question, nou pral répondre, okay? Now, pour tout le monde ka comprenne bien, si m'dou kon sa ke, how are you? Wap di I'm fine, okay? ou ka dim, what about you, teacher? Okay, and I will answer. Si m'dou kon sa ke, where are you going? Wap di, I'm not going anywhere. If I say, where are you right now? Okay, so, now, pou moun ki pa jem gen moun pou ki fè practice ansama avè yo, mwen prel fè practice ansama avè nou aswe ya, okay? So, listen carefully what I'm trying to ask. M'pa prel le tro vite, men sepandam baka le tro doucement. Ok? Pour parler langue nan bien, langue nan c'est pas une langue qui parle vraiment doucement. C'est là causer ou parler doucement avec moun nan. Mais c'est pas toutes les. Des fois causer tout obligé aller extra fast, ok? So, shall we begin? Number 1. Good evening everyone. So, moun ki toujours ap dim good afternoon yo, de pou rive 5 ou pas nan afternoon encore, ou nan evening. So, good evening everyone. Now you're going to answer back. Good evening students. So samedi, moi vle nou répondre moi tan kou se avè nou ke m'a parlé. I am having a conversation with you guys, okay? So good evening everyone. Good evening everybody. Natalie, how are you, sweetheart? Welcome. So, moi, vle nou pick up the pace. Pa pran pil tan pou nou ekri. Pick up the pace, okay? Pick up the pace vle di ale un peu vite. Pick up the pace. Okay? How was your day? How was your day, class? How was your day, everyone? So now I want you guys to answer, okay? How was your day? How was your day, everyone? Si me dis nous, how was your day? Pas dim good. Thank you, teacher. Et pas comme ça pour répondre. How was your day? So moi vle nou répondre completely. How was your day? Astrud, very good. Kyle, good job. Bermude, wonderful. Lou, Martilia, wonderful. Amatone, how? Don't say R, how? How was your day? Marceline, N-O-T, not. T-O-O, not too bad. Jean Wilson, wonderful. Member, I have to get back to you. Renandine, I'm going to get back to you too. Manassi, you cannot say my day was C and so. You're going to say my day was so and so. It was so and so. It wasn't too bad. It was nice. It was wonderful. It was fantastic. I had a wonderful day. I had a great day. Marceline, good. No, pas di my day was so-so. Li pa bon. Ok? Moun kap di my day was so-so, nan li pa bon. So-so se pou un mot. It's not a word. Ok? So-so. Ok? So, me koman ap repon? How was your day? It was nice. It was great. I had a wonderful day. It was fantastic. It was phenomenal. It wasn't too bad. It was sad. It was boring. Vedoudou, take out and about yourself. Retire dernier parti. How was your day? It was great. What about yours? Okay? What about yours? So the end about yours li pa bon. Di what about yours? Okay, pas di what about yourself. Di what about yours? Okay? Cause right now, m'pa mando komonte. M'pa mando how was your day? Okay? So, wap dim, it was nice. What about yours? So dim what about yourself li pa bon. Cause m'pa mando pou tetou, m'pa mando pou journée. Alright? My day was wonderful. It was amazing. Okay? So very good. What did you do all day today? What did you do all day today? What did you do all day today? What did you do all day? What did you do all day? Very good, my dear. What did you do all day? Tendez bien. Moi pas do what do you do? Moi do what did you do? What did you do today? Feline, you cannot tell me my day was amazing. What about